Hey guys, this is Big Block and Jeremy here at Creative Rods. Today we're cutting the clear to be re-cleared. This is the start of the process. Actually what Jeremy's doing here now. We wet the panel down, get it nice and clean, get it some sandpaper. Usually at this stage we're using about an 800 grit. Take the 800 grit on a little soft hard block. One of these. We use these a lot, especially when we're doing a cut for re-clear. It really gets everything nice and flat, cuts all the tops and everything off of it so you don't have any type of feel or texture in it. So basically, when we get started, he's getting the panel clean. You go back through, get your 800. Start in small sections. You're working probably about a foot section at a time. Work your way down the quarters, and then basically just keep following that process. Once you've made it all the way down that panel, he's going to take that water squeegee there, get the water off, and as you can see, it's going to start doling out. And it gives you you can see if there's any kind of texture or anything left in that panel. As you can see there, it's real nice and flat. Don't have any texture in it. So we keep doing that process, and we'll wet it down again. Look down the side, make sure it's real nice and clean and straight and not choppy. And we kind of keep going from there. Anything you want to add in there, Jeremy?
Yeah, man, we color sand. This process is to level out the panel. We want to level it out as flat as we can for a super smooth finish on the back side of our final clear. This car also has getting rally stripes, so we'll be getting the deck lid, the hood and header panel and cowl ready for stripes for it later. But right now we're just QCing our clear, color sanding it, getting it smooth as we can, so we have that ultra fine show quality finish that we're known for here at Creative Rods. And it's a lot of love and a lot of time and a lot of sanding. But if you want a top-notch paint job, it's all in these fine details. All in the fine details. And guys, that's what makes a creative rod.
Get in there real quick.